This is John, and he's a professional Muay Thai instructor. You're watching WHLWRKS.
Anyways, as Gio's almost half dead over there, let's forget about that right now. John, tell us something about how'd you get into this and what inspired you and what made you start coaching professionally?
You know, I just started at a young age. I got to work with my coach. He needed some help, so I got opportunity to teach when I was in Thailand because they needed an instructor that could speak English and Thai. And that's how I got into it. And then since then, I opened multiple gyms. And this is our newest gym. It's only been open for a year.
Okay, and it's nice. You have pretty much all the equipment.
Yeah, exactly. And then we're one of the only gyms in Orange County that's recognized by the Thai government. So they recently just came and gave us an award, you know, from the Boxing Authority of Thailand.
Is that SMG thing right there?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. It's an award from Thailand by the Sports Authority of Thailand.
Nice. So I didn't know that, and our viewers now know that. That's awesome.
Yeah. So we teach the real deal. You know, we have a location in Anaheim and this location. And hopefully we'll open more, but we also have 2 gyms in Thailand also.
How many, have you got any fighters that have gone professionally or have...
Yeah, we have people that go professionally in the past. We had guys that I trained that did MMA, professional MMA fighters. We train people, we train actors for TV shows.
Nice.
That came through. Yeah, like Nick Jonas came through a few years back.
Age limit?
Age limit 4 years old, yeah.
Oh, you was training from...
Yeah, from 4. We have a guy that's 74 that we trained that just fought in Thailand and won last month. Shit. Yeah, he was in Thailand and he fought at 74 years old.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
that's really cool. Well, I mean, maybe show me some moves or
for sure.
Gio, we can wake him up from being dead. Show us some moves on what we can do. I mean, some kicks. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll show you some basic stuff.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so we're gonna start with elbows first, okay? Okay. So that's one of the most useful Muay Thai techniques. This hand goes on your head, and now you keep your hands open, okay? Open your hand here. Now what you're gonna do is, this is part of your body now. So when you rotate your body, your elbow is gonna hit. And you want to hit with just this. Nice, like that, that's it. And you slice right through it. Bam, there you go, perfect, see? That's it. Elbow number 1. There you go. See, that's all you gotta do. Just keep your head straight, here, turn, okay? So if someone throws like a cross, we might block that cross, and we'll elbow you. I'll jab here, he blocks there. On the way back, I'll trap his arm. Boom, see? And always follow through. Don't hit it. You know, don't stack it. You have do this.
Finish
so
all the way.
Yeah, so it cuts.
Finish all the way.
Exactly. We have long knees and clinch knees. So a long knee is when you throw from back here and you stab them. So you want to just stab them in the body and you push in. And that's a long knee. A short knee or a attached knee is when you grab them, you clinch, and you knee, you know? So when I was showing you that move, so me and him were doing it, hands up, and then I throw that elbow. After you throw that elbow, a lot of times they'll come in and they'll grab them with the clinch. Oh shit. And then they'll just knee. And then oh god. Then you can turn them. Oh.
Just kidding on the beating.
Okay, and with that, I am scared for my life. But why don't you tell them what kind of car you got?
How about Audi RSQ8?
RSQ8, such a sick car. So let's go throw on those wheels.
2023 Audi RSQ8. Do you know how much horsepower this car has?
Around 590?
590.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, a lot of people talk smack on the RSQ8 and the Urus, but in my opinion, I would get this over the Urus. In my opinion, just because of the price margin and the horsepower, depending which one, is very close.
Yeah.
We're gonna put 24-inch wheels on this one. The new 24-inch Lexani Valor, full gloss black. 24s, these have factory 23s. We're gonna step it up because John wants a bigger, better wheel. We're gonna put some new ones, and he hasn't even seen them like a live wheel. Let's go inside and go show John what that looks like. Let's go. All right, so this is a brand new wheel from Lexani. It is a brand new release. He's actually gonna be the first Audi RSQ8 on this wheel in the world. Actually, no one else has this set on the RSQ8. They landed last week, and he's the first one. So let's show him. What's your impressions of it?
It's nice. Yeah, it looks real nice.
That 24, with just that extra inch on the wheel, it's gonna look really good.
And bro, got the 305.
Yep, so we got 24 by 10, and we actually gonna go wider than its factory. We're gonna go 305, 30, 24. Its factory is 295. We're a little bit wider because this car can take it, has all the room, so why not go a little bit wider? All we gotta do now is just put them on, and we're about to do that right now.
Rick, you ready to see some new wheels on the RSQ8?
I am super excited about this. So the RSQ8 has always been one of my favorite cars of all time. For those of you guys who did not pick up on it earlier, it is super close to the Urus. It shares probably, I want to say 80% of its parts with the Urus. So we're gonna go up and upgrade from 23s to 24s. I think it's gonna look insane. The new Lexani Valor, nobody else has this right now. I think it's gonna be insane.
All right, the Audi is being lifted up. We're getting ready to throw these Lexanis on there.
And you know the Urus is like, I think the most appreciates the fastest from all the Lamborghinis.
Oh, from all the Lamborghinis,
Yeah.
probably yes.
Well, because
but it's not a fast appreciating
I
car.
just saw a Urus that's like worth like right now, like the performance is like 200,000, and it came out like 300,000. So it's
Hey,
like,
I hear so much shit talking about the Urus. I love it. I don't care. It's
I'm not
an
a big fan
Audi,
of it.
It's this,
I'll be-
it's that,
can
blah,
I be-
blah, 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 blah. All I hear is fucking opinions.
I'll be honest with you. I'll give my own opinion. I don't like I don't like the Urus. I think it's
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't like your C10.
perfect.
Yeah, see?
I'm
We can
okay
agree
with
to
that,
disagree.
and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with
That's the beauty of the car culture.
Yeah, and
Especially
I'm okay.
now we're going to be at SEMA. Get ready to see everyone's opinion on cars.
Yeah, I mean,
Guys, SEMA tomorrow, guys. For those, if you guys are the real ones that are watching this on the day it came out, tomorrow, from when you're watching this video, we will be at SEMA. So make sure you are watching, guys.
Bam!
I just want you to take one look at this rotor.
Jeez, dude, it is massive.
Here is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Compare that to the size of the rotor, just for comparison.
I think this car and the Urus have the biggest caliper
Yeah, they do.
ever made.
Yeah, I know.
Is it?
We talked about this, yeah.
I think it is, right?
It is. I think the Urus and the RSQ8.
They have. It's the biggest caliper to exist.
I think we looked it up when we had the Urus in here.
That caliper is so wide and it's narrow from the inside. They had to chamfer, remove all this extra aluminum
Just to fit it on there.
just to fit it on this caliper. That's called chamfering the pad.
There we are. TPMS sensor goes in. Here comes that new tire.
I'll just do this. I'm gonna try to get more submission.
Ready to be mounted. First, before we mount it, we got to throw on the tire lube, just so it slides onto the wheel a lot easier. Tire is fully mounted. Now, as always, guys, we're gonna throw it over here onto our Hunter balancing machine. We're gonna throw on some weights. Computer's gonna tell us exactly how much weight and where to add them, and then the wheel will be good to go. There's that beautiful cap. All right, putting some air in there, just so we can pop the bead right over here. There goes one side. Bam! Bead is popped, ready to be balanced. In the meantime, we're going to prepare the second wheel, taking off the TPMS sensor from the original one. All right, more tire lube for the tire number 2. There we go. Okay, and here we are. Balancing machine, rotating the wheel, and it's going to tell us exactly where to put the weights. All right, so the computer says we need 5.25 ounces. Jose's got these little stick-on weights, that's all. And now the computer puts the laser in there, tells us exactly where the weights should go. Now we rebalance it to make sure it's good, and yep, there we go. Computer says we are good to go, and the wheel is ready to be thrown onto the car. The last wheel is going on now. Oh, I lied. The other wheel still hasn't gone on.
You think if I put a plug will work?
Yo! Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think a plug will fix this actually. Bam, you guys know the drill. Simple as that. Gonna get that okay from the machine. Make sure we are in good balance. Just like that. Ready to go. Let's throw it on the RSQ8. Man, this car is nice. Combined with the Nardo gray color. Honestly, there's hardly any colors I would choose over Nardo gray on an Audi. I mean, come on, you got an RSQ8. Woo! Man, that looks so good. I'm a huge fan of this car. Get the other side, and we are good to go. All that's left to do now is slap on the center caps and put some tire shine on these things. And of course, we cannot forget to set the torque on these wheels, making sure that they don't fall off on the highway.
Tire shine.
Damn, tire shine and send her off.
Yep.
Bam.
One more done.
Shiny. And just like that.
Yeah, another happy customer.
Another happy customer. Woo!
All right, guys, we are here with Jonathan, and he is about to see the reveal of his Audi RSQ8, guys. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
And here it is, John.
Nice.
The Audi RSQ8 on 24-inch Lexani Valors on 305s.
Nice.
What do you think?
Dude, it looks nice, man. That looks clean.
I love to see it. Really completes the look of this car, if you ask me.
The gloss back versus like a more satin finish, it
Yeah,
pops out
'cause he has
perfectly
nothing-
with a
he has
lot of the
nothing
gloss you
satin.
have. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah, nothing satin on the car.
Yeah.
And the gloss is making everything else pop.
This is the black optics package with the carbon fiber. I mean, I just think it looks
Nice.
to die for.
Dude, it looks nice.
All right, guys, we just finished up the Audi RSQ8 with the 24x10 Lexani Valor. I think it looks amazing. John, what do you think?
Dude, I love it. It looks awesome.
Brand new design from Lexani. Shout out to Lexani for the sponsoring this video. Even Rick was just amazed right now too about it, and Gio, all of us were like, this is one of the best Audis we've done.
And not to mention, this is the only RSQ8 in the world that's got the Valors on.
It's, yes, first Audi RSQ8 with the Lexani Valor in the world, because this is the first set that actually landed here in California. As soon as Lexani got them, it was right to us. So one of the first ones. John is the first one in the country to have, in the world, to have this set on the Audi RSQ8. And I think it wraps it up really good with the 305s on there.
I appreciate you guys for doing this. Thank you to AudioCityUSA and Lexani.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Man, thank you guys.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for.